Bonnie from the Gymboree Play and Music Home Office, and today I have a fun, easy craft for you guys using paper plates and some string. We're going to make a tambourine. Check it out. So, this is easy. All you need are 2 paper plates. You can even use the inexpensive ones. Any paper plate will do. And what you're going to do is you're going to sandwich them together, and you're going to take a hole puncher, a single hole puncher, and you're going to put a hole approximately every 1.5 to 2 inches. This is a good craft for kids that are about maybe 3 and up, or though, you know, the little ones can follow along. They can decorate. So what you're going to do is about every 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches, because you want to make sure that your tambourine beads don't fall out, you're going to put a hole. And then on the inside, all you're going to do is you're going to take, I actually have some beads laying around. You can use beans, you can use anything to put in here as long as it makes noise. But the key is to make sure that the holes are close enough so nothing falls out. So then, after all your holes are done, you're going to have your child decorate the plate. You can have them do this before you punch the holes or after, because that might take a while, because they're going to want to customize it a little bit. I drew a little scene on here, have the child put their name on here, make it a little personal, kind of fun there. And then, this is the fun part, and Mom's going to need to help on this one. So, you're going to either take string, yarn, or I'm using just balloon ribbon here. Anything you have laying around the house that you can tie up these holes with. Like I said, had some balloon string laying around. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to cut a small piece. Got to get your scissors out here. And then loop it through. Tie it up. Super easy. Get that ribbon tied on. You can either leave it loose or you can curl it. Now they're probably going to need Mom and Dad's help to do the curl, and there we go. I curled mine. So now got a little decoration on the back, smiley face, and on the front we've got this cute little picture that Sam did. So anyway, super fun to do. They can create a band, they can be a parade leader, walk around the house. A really neat thing, and it's personalized. It's theirs because they picked out the colors, they made all the decorations on this, and it's actually good to use for a couple days. I mean, they would probably have them do little activities, like I said. Write their own song. Lots of fun stuff to do with an at-home tambourine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft. We'll have more stuff coming soon of at-home activities for your children. Thank you from the Gymboree Home Office. Bye-bye.